Is it clear? Huh? Now it is clear. Huh? It's clear now. Okay. Right. So we were doing equation of line. Yesterday I taught you the method of finding slopes and how to find the equation of line. Isn't it? When two lines are to find the equation of line, we need to know slope and at least one point. One point we must know. That point I take it x1, y1, and how to find the equation of line y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll use this formula and find the equation of the straight line. Isn't it? And to find slope, they give different type of clues will be given. Okay. Now suppose one line is already here. I will have a line 3x plus y equal to 4. And question says whether the point 1 comma 1 lies on this line or not. How can you check whether this point lies on this line? How can you check it? Checking is easy. We can put the value of x equal to the x coordinate and the value y equal to the y coordinate. If the equation is satisfied, we say the point will lie on the line, or this line will pass through this point. And if the equation is not satisfied, we say the point does not lie. So very simple. Suppose x value I put 1 out here, 1, so it becomes 3, 1 plus y1 is also 1. Check the answer on the left hand side. Answer on the left hand side. So 3 with the 3 plus 1, 4, which is same as RHS now. LHS is same as RHS. RHS value is 4 and they are getting answer 4. So that is this point lies on the line, this line, or this line passes through this point. That is the meaning. Say suppose we are finding an equation of line like this. Anywhere, suppose we are having an equation of line like this. 4x minus 3y equal to 12. And question says this line is passing through a point a comma 2. Find the value of a. How to find? That is in the equation of line we must put these points. That is x value I'll put a and y value I'll put 2. Put that value. For x value is a, I'll put it 3. Y value I'll put 2 equal to 12. Now I solve it and find the value of a from this. 4 and 3 to the 6 is equal to 12. This will go that side. 4 is equal to 12 plus 6. Therefore 4a value will come 18. Therefore a value will come 18 by 4. 9 by 2 after cancellation. 9 by 2 is answer. So we can find the value of unknowns. If any point lies either on the line or the line passes through a given point, we can find the value of unknown coordinate. Hope it is understood. Huh? Only basic first I am giving, then I will do the problem. Okay, suppose they have given a line like this. 4x plus 3y equal to 12. This line intersects x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Find the coordinate of A and coordinate of B. How to find? This one is cutting x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B. How to find the coordinates of A and coordinates of B? We will take the coordinates of A as x comma 0 because this is the point on the x-axis. Y coordinate will be 0 and point B we will take as 0 comma y. This time the x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be something that I will take y. Now I will put the value this line is. Yeah, you can. Yeah, we have to find individually. A value x0 I put, that x value remains x here and y value becomes 0. The 3 zeros are 0 is equal to 12. Then is 4x value is 12 and x value is coming 3. Therefore, coordinates of A become 3, 0. The answer comes. Now for the y point, I will be putting the value of y as y and the value of x I put 0 in this equation only. 4 into 0 plus 3 into y is equal to 12. This is 0, you can leave it. 3y equal to 12. The value of y is coming 12 by 3. The answer comes 4. Therefore, coordinates of B will become 0, 4. Answer. So this is how we can find the point at the x-axis and the y-axis. If the line intersects means cuts the x-axis and then cuts the y-axis, and they will mention the point on what point the line is cutting. So usually they say A and B. We can easily find the coordinates of the point A and the coordinates of the point B. Okay. Now learn these things, and then after that I will give a proper questions on the board. Sometimes now the question says, suppose the line will be like this: 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0 and kx minus 5y minus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. They are saying like that, are parallel. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. The clue given is that these two lines are parallel. So when the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. We know. And yes. And when the lines are perpendicular, the slopes formula becomes like this: m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Okay. Yeah. So first answer will be like first equation will copy. We make y the subject of formula in order to find slope. Keep y positive, I keep it here 3y. This will go that side. Y value will come -4 by 3x plus 12 by 3. Yeah. Is the video getting? Okay. What is the value of slope here? Slope value is coming -4 by 3. This slope I write as m1. M1 value is -4 by 3. Similarly, I take another line, that is this: kx minus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. There also I make y the subject of formula. How to make? -5y, send the other side in order to make it positive. If you keep it in the left side, it remains negative. So send it on the other side. That means you will write here kx minus 8 is equal to 5y. With 5 will divide. K by 5x minus 8 by 5 is the value of y. This is the value of second slope. That is m2 value is coming k upon 5. Now we write here, since lines are parallel, therefore m1 equal to m2. I put the value of m1 -4 by 3 and the value of m2 is k by 5. Using this we will find the value of k. You can do cross multiply. 3k is -20, therefore k value is coming -20 by 3. The answer. The value of k alone will count. They may even say that these two lines are perpendicular, find the value of k. Then I will do m1 and m2 in the same manner. After that, I will change this. I write here that these lines are perpendicular. Instead of parallel writing, I write here perpendicular. Therefore, what is the condition for perpendicular line? m1 into m2 must be equal to -1. Now I put the value of m1 as -4 by 3 into m2 value k by 5 is equal to -1. Minus and will cut 4k, 3 5 is 15, 15 1s are 15. Therefore k value will come now 15 by 4. This only I changed the conditions here. Just now the question was saying parallel, so previous will be the answer. Now when they say perpendicular, this is the answer. So will change this equation on both perpendicular and for parallel, and we can find the value of unknowns. This type of question also you may expect. Yes. This minus minus I cancel. Minus 4 by 3 no, and formula also is having minus 1 here. So minus minus 1 cancel. Okay, now your question may come in this way. Find the equation of a line whose x-intercept, they have given two intercepts, x-intercepts is 3 and y-intercepts is 4. Find the equation of line. What to do? X-intercepts point I let is 3, 0, y-intercept point I let 0, 4. So we have 2 points, can we find the equation? When 2 points are known, how do we find equation? You know that first you must find slope. Yesterday I taught m is equal to, first we'll find slope by this method, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 value putting 4 minus 0, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and 0 minus 3, 4 upon minus 4 by 3. This is value slope. Now take any one of the point and form the equation. Y minus y1, y1 is 0, m value is minus 4 by 3, x minus x1 is 3. I do cross multiply, 3 into this becomes 3y, 3 0 the 0 can leave it, multiply with minus 4x minus plus 12. Coming this side, 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So when x-intercept and y-intercept given, we change that into points and then yes? Yes, is it okay? Yeah, tell me, is it okay? Your question even may come like this. X-intercept is given 3 and a point is given through which the line is passing. Point is given 1, 2. Form the equation of a straight line whose x-intercept is 3 and passing through the point 1, 2. Can you find the equation? This intercept I will change into point. I will change this into point. That point will become 3, 0. X-intercept 3, 0. 2 points are known, and just now the way I form the equation of line, you will find the same. First find slope, then take any one of the points and form the equation. Is it okay? Yes? Instead of x-intercept, you take y-intercept here. How to form the equation of line? You take the point 0, 3. Again, the same way you will do. 2 points are known, how to form the equation? Same way you will do. First find slope and then take any one of the points and form the equation. Slope, your slope finding will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That way you will find the slope and then the equation of line. Okay? Now they may give a question like this. They are saying find the equation of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points. So this is the point 1, 3, and out here the point is given 5, 5. That is it. You have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point this and this. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? You have to draw a line. You have to draw a line which will be perpendicular to this and also will be bisecting the line into 2 equal parts. That means you will be drawing the line somewhat like this. Exactly this point will be the midpoint, this point will be the midpoint, and this line is perpendicular also. You have to form the equation of this line, remember. So to form the equation of the line, we need to know the slope. What is the slope of this line? By the way, let us mark this anything PM. How to find the slope of PM line? Any idea? Tell me. Not kinetic. There is no x-axis, y-axis. first find the slope of the line PM. Okay, I will tell you the easy method. Huh? Yeah. Okay. You first find the slope of the line AB. Wait. Listen first. First we will find the slope of the line AB. And PM line is perpendicular, then we'll change it to perpendicular slope. You know the method of changing it to perpendicular slope? Change the sign, reciprocate, direct method, you will get the slope of this line. So let us first find the slope of AB. First find slope of AB line. Slope of AB, the formula is y2 minus y1 by h2 minus x1. The formula goes on like this, so just find it. h2 minus x. When the 2 points are known, y2 value is 5, y1 is 3. This minus this will do 5 minus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2 by 4. The answer comes 1 by 2. Therefore, slope of perpendicular PM. Perpendicular line PM. Slope of that line will be what? Turn upside down, reciprocate. 1 by 2 now become 2 by 1. So 1 we don't write. And sign will change, become minus 2. Now we know the slope of this line. Let us write the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line coming? Minus 2. To form line, we need to know the slope and we need to have at least one point through which the line is passing. Do we know any point through which the line is passing? No. But it says perpendicular, that is this aim point bisector, that this point A will be the midpoint of this line, midpoint. We will apply the midpoint formula and find the coordinate of A. Right, midpoint, because bisector is mentioned, midpoint. Midpoint M. What is the formula of midpoint? You know x1 plus x2 by 2. You can write in bracket only. x1 plus h2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is 1, this is 5, I write that is 1 plus 5 by 2. Next one, 3 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2, the answer is 3. 8 by 2, the answer is 4. Now midpoint I will put here 3, comma 4. Now can you form the equation? Aim is known, point is known. Can we make the equation? What is the formula of finding equation? Therefore, equation of line formula become y minus y1 is equal to n x minus x1. This point through which the line is, this is becoming x1 y1 now. Don't take this point, because this line is passing through this point only n. Write here y minus y1 value is how much? 4. M value we have minus 2. X minus x1 value is 3. Then we have the answer minus 2x minus plus 6, all will come this side, 2x plus y minus 4 minus 6 will be minus 10 equal to 0. This is the answer. Yes? Check if you have any doubts, you clarify. Yeah, you have any doubts? What is the slope of AB line? 1 by 2. How do you change into perpendicular slope? You have to change the sign or not? The plus will become minus and 1 by 2 become 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is same as 2. Actually it is worked on the formula m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That formula we are using. So it becomes like that. If it is parallel, so it comes the same only, slope will be same. Understood? Now you may have another question like this. They are saying find the equation of the perpendicular drop on the line. Find the equation of the perpendicular not necessarily to be the midpoint, remember. Find the bisector not mentioned. Find the equation of perpendicular drop from the point maybe 1, 3 on the line joining the points anything. So minus 1, 3. This is 2 and 5. Anything they may be. How to find the equation of this line? So the equation of this line is marked PM. How to find the equation of this line? Yeah, perpendicular. The same way, first you find the equation, the slope of line AB. First you find the slope of the line AB. Same way, y2 minus y1 upon h2 minus x1. And then change it to perpendicular slope. Now you know the slope of this line. Slope of this line will be known. The same method, whatever we did just now. That way. Now slope is known and this point is known. You don't have to find midpoint because this is not midpoint. Point already given here. 1, 3, then form the equation. Then you form the equation. Hope you understood it. Huh? What is the difference between perpendicular top and perpendicular bisector? Bisector time they will not be this point. Bisector is the line will be exactly divided into 2 equal parts. That is the point M will be the midpoint. Yeah, anywhere on the line. It is not necessary to be exactly the midpoint of the line. This concept only applies to a triangle. Suppose there is a triangle given ABC like this. No, not on graph. Nothing to they are not using. They are not asking to use graph paper and all. I have to use any graph paper right now. Why they are using graph? Suppose there is a triangle given ABC with the points are like anything 2, minus 3, 4, 5. Here it is given minus 2 and minus 3. Anything is given. Okay. Or minus 2, 3. Okay. They are asking to find the equation of the median through A. Median. What is median? Median through the point A. Median will be this kind. Which will bisect the opposite side. This side will be bisected. So this is M. The M point is the midpoint between B and C. How to find the equation of the line A? Tell me how to find the equation of the line A. Give me some idea. Slope of BC. What? No. Okay, tell me first. Slope of then how can you find the slope of A? It is not perpendicular. Don't turn upside down and change the sign. Median won't be perpendicular. This one you cannot do that because this line is not perpendicular. It is only median. Remember. So first we find the midpoint. Midpoint of the point M I find. Midpoint we find. Midpoint will come. Then we have one point and another point. You know how to find the equation when the 2 points are known. When 2 points are known, can we find the equation? We know that. How do we find the equation? First we find n, y2 minus y1 by h2 minus h1. And then we take any one of the points and form the equation. This is simple. Yes or no? Now, another type of question they will say, this is how they find the equation of median, okay, from any point. If they say find the equation of altitude through the point B on AC, they will say like altitude is like this. Altitude will be 90 degree here, but it won't be midpoint. Remember, how to find the equation of this line? So this line is marked BP. How to find the equation of the line BP? Because perpendicular tension now, then altitude is always perpendicular. Then how to find the equation of this line BP? Find the slope of AC. Then turn upside down. You will get the slope of this line and value will come. After finding this, then turning upside change perpendicular slope. Now the slope is known and point is known, then we form the equation. Simple. Understood? Difference between the altitude and the median. Altitude will take 90 degree angle, but it won't be the midpoint. And median will be the midpoint, but will not be perpendicular. It is about median I'm saying. Understood? Okay, then this type of questions you have to do carefully. Okay, what question talks about median or altitude? What they are talking about? Sometimes they may ask you. Suppose this given like this 3, 4, 2, minus 1, and a point A comma 5 are collinear, this thing, collinear. Find A, find the value of A, find the value of A. These 3 points are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Lying in the same line. All the points are lying in the same line. How to find the value of A? If a point in the straight line is having all the 3 points here, here and here, like this, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. A single line slope will be same everywhere, slope. Then find the slope of these 2 points and find also the slope between these 2 points and make them equal. And then the value of A will come out. Suppose I will find slope of AB first. Let us find slope of AB. What will we find? This minus this. This minus this, 2 minus 3, minus 5 by minus 1, answer is coming 5, 5 by 1 that is 5, minus minus cancel. Then I find slope of BC, this is A point I am taking, this is B, this is BC point I am taking, slope of BC. How do you find y2 minus y1, 5 minus minus plus 1, this minus this will become 6 by A minus 2. Then since lines are collinear, therefore this will be equal to this, we have this 5 is equal to 6 by A minus 2, and now from this equation we will find the value of A. Cross multiply you can do 5A minus 10 is equal to 6, 5 is equal to 6 plus 10, 5A is equal to 16, A value is coming 16 by 5, answer. Understood? If they are saying collinear points, that means slope must be equal. Slope of this line, slope of this line must be same. Yes? Yeah, you have any doubts so far? All clear? So today we do this much. Then we have questions there in your book. Please try all ICC questions. In the last page you have all those question papers. And just see, if you get stuck anywhere, you ask me tomorrow. I'm not tomorrow, the Monday. Monday you will have the online class. Yeah, from Monday we will begin physics also. Okay. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay then, see you.